You don't have to be a wine expert to host a wine tasting party at home. Just remember to keep it simple. First, set the mood. Add ambiance with unscented candles and a wine bottle candelabra. Choose flowers that don't have a strong scent, which can conflict with the aromas of the wines. Make sure you have the essentials: a corkscrew, wine tasting receptacle, posy pours, stemware, and a decanter. Next, keep snacks simple with foods that pair well with the wine selection of cheeses and chocolates, rustic baguettes, fruit, and crackers. When you set up your wine bar, line the wines up in the order of lightest to boldest, or in the order you'd like to taste them. Just like in a Napa Valley tasting room, serve 1 ounce pours of each wine. Make sure you have bottled water or a pitcher of water with glasses at your tasting table for people to refresh their palate. Sip more of the wines you like. Don't be afraid to say that you don't like a particular style. Pick your favorites and start your very own wine collection. The key is to relax and enjoy your tasting. There's no right or wrong. In fact, the best bottle of wine is always the one that is open. If you'd like to host the perfect wine tasting party, experience new wines, or become a wine consultant yourself, visit wineshopathome.com.